Today I'm going to show you how to cook fish without any oil. Nowadays many prefer to have oilless food. So I thought, why not share with you some recipes which can be cooked without oil. Of course, keeping in mind the taste too. So here I have taken half kg of fish which I have marinated with half teaspoon of turmeric and half teaspoon of salt and kept it for 5 minutes. These are the ingredients that I'm going to mix in the fish. 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, some mint leaves, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped, and salt according to your taste. I'm going to mix the tomatoes here. 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 medium-sized chopped onions, and a few mint leaves, which I'm just coarsely chop and mix it in the fish like this. So now I'm going to mix this very thoroughly. So I have thoroughly mixed the onion, garlic, ginger, mint, all these ingredients thoroughly. So here I put around half teaspoon of salt and mix it again nicely. So now this is done. I'm going to, without adding any water or oil, I'm going to place this on the stove and steam it for around half an hour. So I've placed it on the stove and I'm going to cover it and steam for half an hour. Half an hour of steaming. See the curry. Now I'm going to garnish this with chopped coriander leaves. And now it is ready to be served. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.